Forgive me. Am I to understand that you wish to attend the Queen's Ball this evening, and yet you do not speak Regency English? Well, fear not. I am your dialect coach, Lord Statham, and I shall teach you how to speak correct Regency English in time for tonight's gathering. Okay, number one, we're not going to use contraction. We shall not use contractions. Secondly, we must do something about your awful diction. For you to fit in at the Queen's Ball, you need to use received pronunciation. Upper RP is the only acceptable way to speak among high society. That means pronouncing the A sound in words like these in the southern style. Ah, not the northern A. For example, fast, laugh, castle. Repeat with me, please, we do not have all day. The last castle in Bath. Very good, you are doing quite well. And of course, please pronounce your T's correctly. Water, not water. Glottal T's are for the lower classes, and tonight you are not part of the lower classes. Tomorrow, but tonight, proper T's, please. Okay, so knowing that, how would you pronounce this sentence? Splendid. I want to eat the last cookie. However, in Regency English, we shall replace all I want to's with these. To declare your intent, you have two options. I wish to. This is a more direct, strong version of I want to. I wish to eat the last cookie, and I will. However, I should like to is a softer, more polite version. Perhaps you might consider using that instead. I should like to eat the last cookie. Does no one object? Repeat with me, please. We do not have all day. I should like to eat the last cookie. Very good. Now, for polite requests, please use might I have. Might I have the last cookie? Repeat with me, please. Very good. Pardon me? Someone told you the Queen is having a ball. No. When talking of things you have seen or heard, something you have learned. It has come to my attention that blah blah blah. Say it with me, please. It has come to my attention the Queen is having a ball. Very well done. I do not go to balls. I am not of a high rank. I should go to the Queen's Ball? Okay, this is Regency English. For suggestions, change you should for might you consider. Perhaps you might consider attending the Queen's Ball. You are very good at this. Pardon me? I have to say you're weird and annoying? No. I must confess, you are most peculiar, and you vex me. Bravo, well done. Are you okay? I must confess, you seem awfully fatigued. Tired. You can't be bothered to go to the ball. Please, your vocabulary. I can't be bothered? Say this. I find I am without the inclination to blah blah blah. I see. You do not lack the inclination, you are simply scared. You are not scared to attend the ball. You lack the courage to attend the ball. Pardon me? Oh, you're ill. Oh, you are sick. You have a cold. Oh, yes. No, in this instance, we say, I am poorly. Yes, British English is much, much cuter than American English. I agree. Pardon me? Oh, you're poorly 'cause of your... Oh, your monthly shame? We call it your monthly course. Secondly, change because of to for. Now you are becoming a member of the higher classes. How would you translate this sentence? I can't be bothered to go to the gym because I'm tired. Very good. I lack the inclination to attend the gym, for I am fatigued. Well done. I am delighted with our progress. Okay, next, it is quite necessary that the person whom you are speaking with agrees with you, is it not? We achieve this with question tags. And again, remember, we do not use contractions. You're a maid, innit? No. You are a maid, are you not? Okay, perhaps we have succeeded in turning this mutton into a true lamb. Okay, let us see. Moment of truth. How would you say, in perfect Regency English, the following? You want to marry me, right? You do wish to marry me, do you not? You should go to bed, you look tired. Perhaps you might consider retiring early. You seem somewhat fatigued. And finally, I'm going to bed because I got my period and I feel rubbish. Translate this into perfect Regency English. I wish to retire, for my course is upon me and I am quite poorly. Please do show off your Regency English at the party and let me know how it goes in the comments. Now, maybe get some nice clothes. You look terrible.